In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Acuity Scheduling. The first thing you need to do is to just head over to acuityscheduling.com. Now you should be able to see in here this part. What you can do is you can either log in or get started. In my case, I'll just click onto this login. So the great thing about Acuity is that it's connected to your Squarespace account. So if you already have a Squarespace account, you will be automatically prompted there and you can see those. So I have in here this Acuity Scheduling. So this is a preview of that. You can create appointment types, set your availability, and customize your design. You can also copy right here the scheduling page link that we have. So for example, first thing we need to do is just click on this create appointment types and then just wait for this to successfully load into the Acuity Scheduling part. Now in here we have in here this new type of service. We have in here consultation for 50 minutes at around 45 pesos. You can choose a new type of group class or you can also choose a new type of service. Now onto this appointment types, you have the option to add some add-ons as well as some coupons. So if you want, you can also preview what this will look like once you successfully publish in here your actual site for this equity scheduling option. Now, if you want to create a new one, just click onto this new type of service. Input right here the name. So, for example, let's put in here one-on-one. You can input right here the description as well as a show message that after scheduling. Let's choose in here around 60 minutes. And you can block time off or before after this appointment. And you can input right here the price for this. You can choose in here the category or you can create a new one. Choose in here the color, and you can choose a private appointment type, and you can also add an image as well as integrate calendars and forms. Click onto this create once you're done with that, and you can head over and start saving these changes if you want because you can get a free trial for Acuity Scheduling. So that's how you set up Acuity Scheduling. Hope we help.